How to create a bubbles effect background in After Effects. This effect is excellent for use as a background or for any other creative purpose. But how do you create a bubbles effect? First, we need to create a solid layer. You can easily do this with the shortcut Ctrl+Y. Then choose the color you want. This is important because the color you choose will be the color of the bubbles. However, I prefer to enhance the color with a gradient for a better look. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for gradient ramp and add it to the solid layer. Then choose two colors. For example, I choose light blue and blue. Next, we need to add the bubbles effect. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for the CG bubbles effect and add it to the solid layer. It looks pretty good already, but we need to adjust the settings. You can experiment with the values. I set the bubble speed to 1.5 and the wobble frequency to 0.7. To enhance the effect, let's add some glow. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for glow and add it to the solid layer. Adjust the glow settings as needed. I set the glow radius to 154, the glow intensity to 0.6 and the glow threshold to 100%. Finally, I will add a vignette effect for a better result. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for the CC vignette effect and add it to the solid layer. I apply it twice for a more pronounced effect. Use your creativity to make cool things with the bubbles effect. And here we go. Now you know how to create a bubbles effect background in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.